or you can unmute yourself and share your experience with us.
That'll be really nice, actually. Even we would like to, get a feedback of what all of you feel.
So Vishali is saying it's been great working with Gyandeep.
Hello, am I
Can I
audible?
say something?
Yes, you're audible.
Hello everyone. Hello, ma'am. My name is Vaishali. This is my second year in Gyanti. And ma'am, believe me, this has been like great experience. क्योंकि मैं जो मैम मुझे 2 साल से एक ही बच्चे लौटे है निकिता मैम उसे देख के ना मुझे इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है वो कहती है कि नहीं दीदी आज ये करते हैं नहीं दीदी वो करते हैं एंड द अनदर बेस्ट थिंग कि मैंने कहीं भी कभी भी नहीं देखा कि यहाँ पर एक दिवाली मेला होता है आई मीन दैट वाज सच अ फैबुलस आइडिया बच्चे खुद अपनी चीजें बनाते हैं दे सो लाइक मोटिवेटेड कि आज दीदी मुझे ना दिवाली मेले की तैयारी करनी है और मुझे हमें एनवेलप्स बना के गांधी भेजने हैं वहाँ पैकिंग होगी और फिर हम लोग मतलब शी टोल्ड मी कि ये तो ऑनलाइन की वजह से ऐसा हो रहा है अदरवाइज लास्ट ईयर तक क्या होता था कि दे यूज्ड टू सेट अप स्टॉल्स एंड वो मतलब वहाँ पे कुछ लाइक सामान का वो करते थे सो आई वाज लाइक वाओ दिस इज सो गुड एंड इतना फ्री प्रोग्रेस और फ्री लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट है आई जस्ट लव इट
Vaishali, thank you so much. You just said what I missed out. When Malika told us that there are three things in the website, skill development was one of them. And that is what our Diwali Mela talks about. So Vaishali said it for us.
yes ma'am
Thank you,
actually I
Vishali.
told that comment section as well so I was like please ma'am share about Diwali Mela.
Yeah, so Diwali Mela is part of our skill development program actually. As our children are growing and they will reach a level after class 10, 12, and then what next is the question. So we are teaching them some skills where they can make certain things on their own after learning, so they can have their own ventures, or they can even Gandhi is planning to have a Gandhi kitchen very soon, and Gandhi Gardens, Gandhi Crafts. So there, they may get employment and they will be able to create a business model and learn a lot more. So they are not left just like that. I mean, they have something to do.
Okay, thank you, Vishali, for sharing your experience. Now we have Soumya Srivastava. She's asking, I believe this type of institution should be there in every nook and corner of the city. And how do you plan to spread Gandhi to other places?
Gandhip is already spreading. People, there are many people like us doing commendable work. I think it's all over the country, and we know a lot of NGOs in Delhi as well. And
Okay.
anyone who
So,
feels like repeating this model is most welcome to learn from us.
okay, thank you, ma'am. So the next question is, actually two people asked the same question. What difficulties has Gandhi faced due to the change to online mode of education? I think ma'am has already answered this part
Yeah, so
initially.
there were some challenges like learning to the changing the method. We also had to learn how to operate the computer, and children also had to kind of learn the Zoom system and all that. But now they have learned faster than us.
Okay, Ishita is saying Gyandeep is indeed a great initiative, and I look forward to be a part of it very soon. Hats off to all the volunteers of Gyandeep. You all are doing an amazing work.
Thank you so much.
Am I
Okay, so
audible?
yes. Divya Gupta, right? You are audible.
Yeah, yeah. Hello, ma'am. It is so nice to meet you. And I joined this seminar, and I was not expecting such fabulous speaker. And the seminar is named as Change Maker Summit, and really you are a change maker, ma'am, and it is really a big thing to teach all these children, because I know my mother is a teacher and she teaches at a rural area. She's a government teacher, and she's very passionate about teaching, and she tells me that how difficult it is to teach these children. And so I know personally that what kind of efforts it takes to continue on this journey. I'm really, really very inspired, ma'am. So
Thank
my
you,
question is
Divya.
to
Yeah.
ma'am, how do you started it? I mean to say, what was your inspiration? Because it is a
See,
big.
yeah, thank you so much, Divya. It started like my children went to college one after the other and they went to hostels. So after that, I had a lot of time. I am a teacher myself, but I was not teaching at that time. And my maid's daughter was 9 years old and she never went to school. And as she was growing, my maid was worried that I cannot leave her alone and step out. So that's when I said, why don't you enroll her into a school and she will learn and she'll be safe also. But there was no school who was ready to take her at the age of 9. And so I fought for her, got her admission into her government school. There, they said that she's 9-year-old and she doesn't fit with the class 1 children. She should be in class 4 5. But on the other hand, she doesn't know anything. She's not learned anything. So they gave her admission into class 2 and I decided to sit with her every day and teach her. So that's how this started. And after that, while I was sitting with her every day for 2 hours, some more children came in and I could teach more children. So till there were 6 7 children, I was teaching alone. But after that, all my best friends joined in, and people who saw that there is something happening and children are learning, they just came together, and there was no looking back.
Wow, ma'am,
Okay.
this is so inspiring and so good. All the best, ma'am, for you.
Thank you, Divya. Thank
I look forward to join this organization whenever I can. Thank
Most
you, ma'am.
welcome. Most welcome.
Thank you, Divya, for your question. So now Vishali is saying that another great thing I forgot to mention is that there is no communication gap between the core members, the volunteers, and the children. Even I agree with that. All the things are so organized. I think thanks to Ma'am Sumita and her dedicated team. Uh, Now, next question is by Anushka Singh. Ma'am, what are the initial difficulties you and other faculty members face while teaching a new student who is unfamiliar to the learning environment?
So there is a challenge, but now over the years, we have learned how to deal with that. Like that is now our strength. So whenever a new child comes, we know how to handle them. It's not difficult anymore. जैसे होता है ना कि ये चीज है उसकी टेक्निक्स अब हमें वो आ गया है ऑल द कोर मेंबर्स आल्सो नो एंड द मेन थिंग हियर इज यू हैव टू गिव देम लव एंड देन दे आर रेडी टू do whatever.
So Gyandeep, it's a family in its own.
It is a family, yes.
Okay, Poonam is saying Gyandeep is heaven and all of you are no less than angels. I couldn't agree more, Poonam, with you.
Thank you, Poonam. Gyandeep
Preet
is
Pariyar is
heaven.
saying, yeah, ma'am, what are you what you are doing is something so incredible.
It's a joint effort, and we are, all the Gyandeep members are doing it together. And I think all of you are also part of this. Each volunteer contributes his valuable time, and that's how our children grow.
Okay, Ishika is asking, how can we as volunteer can help to Gyandeep?
By volunteering.
Okay,
These
so
are-
some
yeah.
okay, Rimsha Fatima share his experience. I want to share that the girl I'm teaching now is so sensible that she looks after her two sisters and she also does her household work sometimes. She told me that Didi abhi papa ki roti banai thi, and that is really motivating for me as well. That she's such a young age is so responsible, and after that she also wanted to study, and that really struck me. So really thankful to Gandhi for such an incredible experience and a new kind of learning for me.
I want to personally thank Rimsha over here. She has also been a wonderful volunteer. She taught Tarun, who is a very, very difficult child to handle. And now she is teaching Shivani, whom she's talking about. And I feel very proud of her.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, Vishali is saying, ma'am, actually you said that we didn't have space, so we had to set up an open space. But ma'am, there are schools like Mirambika who teach in open space even after having spaces. And what could be better than children designing their own space for development?
Yes, we've seen Mirambika, and that's a wonderful school. Yes.
Gandhi's Lane is also beautiful. All the artwork is so beautiful.
Yes, I agree with you.
Purnima is saying it would be great if we too can help in this work. It's a great work, ma'am.
Thank you. And all of you are welcome to volunteer. You just go through the correct source.
Okay. Anybody else who would like to share the experience or ask something from the ma'am? You can write it in the chat box or you can unmute yourselves. Harshita Kaushik is saying, I had selected as a volunteer for Gyandeep only 2 days prior, and yesterday I just called that girl and she was so passionate about her studies.
You have a long way to go, Harshita. This is only the beginning. It won't be very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pooja is saying, I must become part of Gyandeep in future. Yes, Pooja, you should try. It would be an amazing experience for you. So, Shakshi Agarwal is saying, I'm not very good with teaching. Is there any other way I can volunteer?
There are lots of things which the children need apart from teaching, but in any case, like whatever you are good at, you may have to teach them. That's the thing. We'll think of more things. I can't think of anything right now.
Okay, that will be all from our side. Okay. So, ma'am, I think there's one more question. Ma'am, you people are really a real example of women empowerment, empowered women building society in such a great way. Your story is a true inspiration. In fact, story of Gyandeep growing from one child is great.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Harshita is saying I make short films and I can help them by making them and PPT.
You can contact us, Harshita. We need it.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule. It has been an amazing experience talking and interacting with you. And I must say, your team and Gyandeep is doing such an amazing job. You're an inspiration for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for inviting me. I am honored. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. All the volunteers really enjoyed the session. They're writing it up in the chat box.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today for this session. We'll be ending it now. Thank you, all of you.
can leave, it's done. Na?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am Anjali, for
Thank
joining
you.
us today.
Thank you, Anjali, for being there.
It was a wonderful session. It was wonderful. Thank you so
I was
much.
so
And
scared, and I was telling Anjali, I said, "Pata nahi kya mujhe bolna hai," but I enjoyed
no,
it.
no, it was
No, ma'am, it
amazing.
was amazing.
And
Yes.
and yes, because of her being at that position, we are doing this amazing work. And for the
Because we
volunteer
are
who
together.
was saying, because the volunteer who was saying that I don't know teaching and how can I help, I must tell you, I didn't know teaching, and I'm working with Sumita for so many years, and she taught me how to talk to the younger children, and it's fun, it's amazing. You learn so much, and you make your life so wonderful that you should not think at any time that you don't know teaching.
And it
So
comes on your own, when you're together with someone, like you're talking to them or advising them or just being there is also teaching sometimes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us.
wonderful,
Thank-
wonderful session. All the best to all of you. We are eagerly looking forward to the new volunteers who are joining us soon.
Yes.
Yes.
We're getting so many calls already, actually.
Yeah, all the volunteers are so
Yeah.
excited. They're writing in the chat box. They want to
Yeah.
volunteer from tomorrow only.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
We are equally excited to have all of you.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank